Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to continue the step-by-step process for incorporation of LLP. Incorporation of LLP. Visit the MCA portal, click on My Application, then LLP e-filing, and select Philip Incorporation of LLP. Step 9. Select whether the name is already approved by the Registrar of Companies and enter the SRN number of the Run LLP form. Step 10. Select the type of incorporation such as new incorporation, conversion of firm to LLP, or conversion of private company or unlisted public company into LLP. Step 11. Enter the proposed or approved name and indicate whether the proposed name is based on a registered trademark or an application pending under the Trademarks Act. If yes, upload the approval from the owner of the trademark or applicant of the pending application. Click Save and Next. Step 12. Enter the address of the registered office of the LLP and the contact details including email ID and mobile number. Step 13. Attach the latest utility bill of the registered address along with proof of occupancy such as lease deed, rent agreement, or conveyance. Step 14. If the proposed name is not yet approved, enter the NIC code. Step 15. Enter details of number of designated partners having valid DPIN, number of designated partners not having valid DPIN, number of individuals having valid DPIN, number of individuals not having valid DPIN, body corporates and their nominees having valid DPIN, body corporates and their nominees not having valid DPIN, number of partners other than designated partners having valid DPIN, number of partners other than designated partners not having valid DPIN, total number of partners and designated partners having valid DPIN, total number of partners and designated partners not having valid DPIN. Step 16. Next, enter the particulars of individual designated partners who are nominee of body corporates. Firstly, enter details of individual designated partners having valid DPIN. Enter their DPIN, name, and residential status. In case of a company seeking conversion, enter the number of shares held and the paid-up value of the shares held in INR. Step 17. Enter the contribution form, conversion, cash, other than cash. Note: conversion in case of conversion from already existing entity should be selected. Then enter the monetary value of contribution. Next, enter number of LLPs, companies in which he/she is already a partner, director. Step 18. Enter details of individual designated partners not having valid DPIN, including name, father's name, gender, date of birth, nationality. Provide PAN or passport number, place of birth, occupation, qualification, and contact details. Upload identity and address proof. Step 19. Enter their form of contribution, monetary value of contribution, and number of LLPs or companies in which he/she is a partner or director. Step 20. Enter details of bodies corporate and their nominees as designated partners having DIN or DPIN. Enter the type of body corporate: LLP, company, foreign LLP, foreign company, LLP incorporated outside India, LIOI, company incorporated outside India, CIOI, along with their respective identification number, PAN, and name. Also enter the address of their registered place of business and contact details, if not auto-filled. Step 21. In case of company seeking conversion, enter the number of shares held by the body's corporate and their paid-up value. Next, enter the form of contribution, monetary value of contribution, and number of LLPs or companies in which they are partners or directors. Step 22. Enter nominee details signing for the body corporate with resolutions. Enter DIN, DPIN, name, residential status, designation and authority in body corporate. Copy of resolution in the letterhead of such body corporate to become a partner in the proposed LLP, and another resolution also in the letterhead of such body corporate, mentioning the name and address of the individual nominated to act as a nominee on its behalf. Step 23. Enter details of bodies corporate and their nominees as designated partners not having valid DPIN/DIN. Enter particulars of body corporate, such as type of body corporate, along with the respective identification number. Here, enter name, PAN, address of registered office, contact details, and in case of company seeking conversion, number of shares held by such body corporate and paid-up value of the shares held. Step 24. Enter form of contribution along with monetary value of contribution and number of companies/LLPs where the entity is a partner/director. Next, similar to step 18, enter details of person, designated partners, signing on behalf of the body corporate as a nominee. Next, enter the identity proof and residential proof of the nominee and a resolution on the letterhead of the company authorizing to become a partner in the proposed LLP and another letterhead mentioning the name and address of the individual nominated to act as a nominee on its behalf. Step 25. Save and click Next. Step 26. Enter particulars of partners other than designated partners. First, enter details of individual partners having DIN/DPIN. Fill basic details of individual partner such as DPIN, name, residential status. In case of company seeking conversion, enter number of shares held and paid-up value of shares held. Enter details of contribution, form of contribution, monetary value of contribution, along with number of companies/LLPs in which he/she is a partner/director. Step 27. Enter details of individual partners without DIN or DPIN. Details such as name, father's name, gender, DOB, nationality, residential status, PAN passport number, place of birth, occupation type, educational qualification, mobile number, email ID, present and permanent residential address. Next, upload proof of identity along with residential proof. In case of company seeking conversion, enter the number of shares held by the individual and the paid-up value of shares held. Step 28. Enter the form of contribution, monetary value of consideration, and number of companies in which he/she is a partner/director. Step 29. Enter details of bodies corporate and their nominees as partners having DIN/DPIN. Enter type of body corporate, respective identification number, PAN and name of body corporate. Next, enter the registered office or principal place of business and contact details such as contact number and email ID. In case of a company seeking conversion, enter the number of shares held by the body corporate along with the paid-up value of shares held by the body corporate. Step 30. Enter the form of contribution, monetary value of contribution, and number of LLPs/companies in which the entity is a partner/director. Next, enter the details of the person, designated partner, signing on behalf of the body corporate. Details include DIN/DPIN, name, residential status, designation and authority in body corporate, copy of resolution in the letterhead of such body corporate to become a partner in the proposed LLP, and another resolution also in the letterhead of such body corporate mentioning the name and address of the individual nominated to act as a nominee on its behalf. Step 31. Enter details of bodies corporate and their nominees as partners without DIN or DPIN. Enter the type of body corporate, respective identification number, PAN, and name of body corporate. Enter the address of registered office or principal place of business, along with mobile number and email ID. Next, in case of company seeking conversion, enter the number of shares held by such body corporate and paid-up value of shares held by them. Next, enter the form of contribution, monetary value of consideration, and number of LLPs, companies in which the entity is a partner, director. Step 32. Enter details of person signing on behalf of the body corporate as nominee. Details include name, father's name, gender, DOB, nationality, residential status, PAN, passport number, occupation type, educational qualification, mobile number, email ID, permanent and present address. Next, upload residential proof and identity proof, along with a copy of the resolution on the letterhead of the body corporate to become a partner in the proposed LLP, and a copy of resolution on the letterhead mentioning the name and address of the individual nominated to act as nominee. Step 33. Enter the total monetary value of partners in the LLP. Step 34. Enter additional information for applying PAN and TAN number. Enter area code, AO type, range code, and AO number for both PAN and TAN. Then enter source of income and business profession code. Step 35. Click Save and then Next. Step 36. Upload the valuation certificate or declaration. Valuation certificate will be relevant in case of conversion into LLP. In case of incorporation, we have to upload a declaration that valuation certificate is not required, as this is a case of incorporation. Step 37. Upload subscriber's sheet including consent. Then the form will need to be digitally signed by a designated partner. Step 38. Complete professional declaration and certification. Enter the name of the professional, father-mother's name, along with the membership number with the respective regulatory body. Next, select whether they are associate or fellow, and then it will be digitally signed by the professional. Step 39. Click Save and then click Next. Step 40. Form 9 will appear. Save and proceed to e-file. The application has been submitted, and it will be displayed in the Pending for Action section from the dashboard. Step 41. Download Form 9 and Form Fill-up, attach signatures, and upload. Proceed to payment, complete the transaction, and download the challan for reference. The application will then move to processing. The application will be approved once verified. Thanks for watching this video.